metals and non-metals, the difference between metals and non-metals, and we are going to talk about the transition metals, those metals located here in this section. There are three elements located in the limit, in the edge of the division. Those elements are carbon, silica, and germanium. Carbon, silica, and germanium. Those three elements, they are in the limit in between metals and non-metals. For that reason, those three elements are considered semiconductors. Suppose that we have a carbon fiber. We have the structure of the mat of a carbon fiber. That heavy structure is basically carbon. Atoms of carbon together. Let me check what happened in that structure. I have carbons, I have carbons, I have carbons, pure carbons. Now we are going to analyze the elements located in this period. They are called transition metals, transition elements. The majority of those elements located in this group, in between this point and this point, in between scandium and copper, they work in the last orbit with 3 electrons. And only this small group, zinc, cadmium, and mercury, they work in the last orbit with 2 electrons. This is very, 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 very important. Suppose that you are driving your motorcycle in the morning, 6 a.m., 7 a.m. in the expressway. It's easy at 6 a.m. in the first of all, in the most important expressway of your country. It's easy move in your bicycle at 7 a.m. Probably no, because the traffic is heavy, and the concentration, the amount of cars in the expressway is full. It's difficult move it. That expressway is practically full of cars. When the expressway is completely blocked, it's because the expressway have 8 electrons in the last orbit. It's full. It's not possible move it. Non-metals. You remember the division? Non-metals. The non-metals in the groups 6, 7, 8 are bad conductors, non-conductors. This is the zinc, and this is the oxygen. The oxygen with the 6 electrons in the last orbit. And the zinc with 2 electrons in the last orbit. Once again, what element have more energy? Oxygen is located in that corner, and zinc less energy. Okay, in that case, the zinc release the electrons. The zinc release the electrons over there, and the oxygen complete A, and the zinc 0, and the molecule is this. That molecule is too simple. In other words, for the oxygen, it's better when the oxygen find a piece of zinc because attack directly. The oxygen don't need call other 3 guys and other, no, it's not complicated, it's simple, attack the oxygen. Yes, my friends, for that reason, you can put a piece of zinc over the copper or over the iron, over the aluminum, and the oxygen attack the zinc and no attack the aluminum.